Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe. Detail of both supercars and daily drivers requires a diverse skill set as each vehicle type presents unique technical challenges. Daily drivers, the work often focuses on restorative deep cleaning of neglected interiors, removing stains, pet hair, and food debris, and an efficient exterior maintenance to protect the vehicle's resale value. On the other hand, supercars, these require specialized general treatments for sensitive materials like alcantara, carbon fiber, and soft exotic paints. Precision is critical. Standard products or improper techniques can cause permanent damage to high-end finishes, leading to costly repairs. While a standard wax may suffice for a daily commuter, supercars often receive advanced protection like ceramic coatings and paint protection film to shield premium materials from environmental damage. Surprisingly, many detailers find that messy daily drivers like family SUVs or minivans are primarily moneymakers due to the high demand for deep interior cleaning. Supercars are often used as portfolio pieces for marketing and content creation rather than high-volume profit drivers. For daily drivers, the goal is often speed and effectiveness, sometimes utilizing express details to maximize daily revenue. Supercar detailing is much more slower, more meticulous process that prioritizes perfection over volume. You can make great money detailing supercars, but it's not like most would assume. Supercars rarely get dirty or trashed by children. You mostly be maintaining a ceramic coating or a PPF, while daily drivers expect to spend more money because minivans and SUVs, aka kid haulers, get filled with food debris and stains. Supercar owners don't expect to pay your regular price because, for one thing, the vehicle isn't that dirty, and they figure that you will get clout for cleaning a supercar. And I'd be lying if I said that they didn't have a valid point, but it's hard not to want your money. Daily commuter vehicles, you can throw everything but the kitchen sink at it and often get good results, but they're built with economical parts that are resistant to a lot. You can't play those games with a supercar. Use the wrong product or chemical on carbon fiber or alcantara and it will cost you thousands of dollars. This can sometimes be more than the detail. The smallest inconspicuous piece can cost thousands of dollars. Depending on where you live or the area you service, you more than likely won't see supercars. There's a good chance that you won't have the opportunity to detail a supercar. Many of you have never touched one. If you get the opportunity to detail a supercar, take it. The idea that someone is trusting you with a $500,000 vehicle says a lot about you and your business. Daily commuters would definitely trust you if they see a supercar in your portfolio. You can display your portfolio on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms. Always post pictures of your work. Supercars are a statement piece, but don't forget about the daily commuters. That's where the real money is. Daily commuters keeps the bills paid. Every supercar owner has a daily commuter. And if you do a great job, they might just trust you to touch their pride and joy. I've been throwing around this supercar term throughout the entire video. Supercars are high-performance sports cars from brands like Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche that prioritize speed, design, and luxury. They typically offer exhilarating driving experiences and feature advanced technology derived from motorsports. If you like this video and want to see more like these, please like, share, and subscribe. I don't get to see Ferraris often, let alone detail one. I've been fortunate to clean a few in my career. Once you do one, it seems like you will get more. It's all about trust. Supercar owners want to know that you have cleaned one before. Trust me, a Ferrari is a sight to see. Before you clean one, make sure you do your research on them. I needed to watch a video on putting it in drive just to move it. It's different. Definitely not like a regular car. I really enjoy cleaning them because sometimes I get the opportunity opportunity to drive one. Well, I'm just parking them. I ain't about to crash this thing. I'd be paying for it for the rest of my life if that happens. I never thought I'd be cleaning supercars. I really enjoy it. If I wasn't a detailer, I doubt I'd ever touch one. It gives me the chance to learn about the vehicle. Ferrari is known for its racing heritage and iconic Italian design. Models include the Ferrari 296 GTB and GTS, Ferrari 812 Capitazione, and the new Ferrari 12 Cylindri Spider. Porsche blends daily usability with heart-stopping performance and precision engineering. The Porsche 911 in various trims like the Turbo S and GT3 is a prime example. Most people can't afford the Ferrari, so that'll make your chances even slim of ever cleaning one. Most people can't afford a Ferrari, so that will make your chances slim of ever cleaning one. An opportunity like this will open you up to other supercar owners. This will bring respect and trust to your business. When people see you detailing a supercar, they automatically assume that they cannot afford your services. But that's farther from the truth. I often earn more money on a Honda Accord than most supercars I've cleaned. It's simple. There are just more Hondas on the road than supercars. To some, detailing a supercar is like the creme de la creme of mobile detailing. Till next time, shouts out to the new wave. Peace. If you like this video and want to see more like these, please like, share, and subscribe.